Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Google AdSense, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Google AdSense, start by creating a Google account if you don't have one. Visit the AdSense website and click on the Sign Up Now button. Once redirected, enter your Google account details to log in. Fill out the application form with accurate information about your website or YouTube channel. Specify your preferred language and the country where you reside. Agree to the AdSense terms and conditions and click Submit. Wait for your application to be reviewed by the AdSense team, which may take. Once approved, you will receive a notification via email. Sign in to your AdSense account to access the dashboard. To connect your website or YouTube channel, click on the Sites section. Enter the URL of your website or YouTube channel that you want to monetize. Ensure your website complies with AdSense policies and guidelines. For websites, create high-quality content that attracts visitors and adheres to standards. For YouTube, produce engaging videos that meet community guidelines. Next, generate ad units to display on your website. In your AdSense dashboard, go to the Ads section and select Overview. Click on By Ad Unit and choose the type of ad you want to create. Customize the ad settings according to your preferences. Once finished, copy the generated code for website ads. For YouTube, link your account to AdSense by going to YouTube Studio. Navigate to the Monetization tab and follow the prompts to connect. After linking, enable monetization for your videos. Ensure content meets YouTube's eligibility requirements for monetization. Once everything is set up, check your dashboard regularly to monitor earnings. Promote your content through social media and other channels to increase traffic. Consistently generate quality content to maximize passive income potential. Review your AdSense reports to understand performance and optimize placements. Consider experimenting with ad types and layouts for better conversion rates. Patience and persistence are key to building sustainable passive income with AdSense. Continuously update and refine your strategies based on performance metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.